What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I actually just got a package right now from WeatherTech. We're starting to get into the summer months and it's starting to get pretty hot. I think right now might be like 95 outside, and it's not fun, especially when you get into your car after, you know, from the gym or from the mall, wherever, from work, and you know it's going to be hot inside the car. Now I do got ceramic tint all around, even on the windshield of the Prelude here, but I actually got a sunshade from WeatherTech. The difference on having a sunshade on your windshield, on the interior of the car, it doesn't necessarily lower the temperature inside of the car. So if it's still 150 degrees, it's still going to be 150 degrees, but the sunshade is blocking the sun from hitting the dash, the interior parts fading and cracking. But some people say that it lowers the temperature. It lowers the temperature on the parts themselves. So like if your dash is normally 100 degrees without a sunshade, it'll probably be about, you know, probably 70 degrees. Still a little hot, but it won't be radiating that 100 degrees. So that's why it's gonna feel like, imagine all the interior pieces about 30 degrees cooler. They won't be radiating as hot. So let's go ahead and get into the box and we'll go ahead and do a little review on the sunshade. So we have the box here, pretty big box to be honest for what it is. Alright, I'll go ahead and get this out. Here's the sunshade here. Looks real clean, not that cheap foily stuff or the bubble wrap stuff that you see. And these are custom made for your car, the dimensions and everything. So it looks pretty clean. Also got a little cover bag, a little like travel bag or whatever. Let's see what's in here. Just dropped it all on the floor. Receipt probably. A little product catalog, but I went ahead and bought this separately along with the sunshade, just to go ahead and a little baggy tech shade bag. Go ahead and open it up real quick. Alright, here it is. It says WeatherTech. Real nice little like a nylon bag. On the other side should be able to just slide in the sunshade. You really don't need it, but I just wanted it just to have it all. Let me see. Almost dropped. Yeah, there it is. Pretty nice. Just makes it look overall complete with the sunshade. But anyways, what you really came here for. Little Velcro strap there. Got the instructions, which you don't really need those for sunshade. Just throw those down. Real good quality. And the black side is for winter time, which we don't really have like too cold of a winter. I mean, it does get cold, but not too cold. But you reverse it and it heats up your car on the inside. The black absorbs the heat. And then for summertime or whenever it's hot, go ahead and use this. Still use it in the wintertime, whatever, just still block out all of the sun rays from damaging your dash interior. But as of right now, pretty good quality. Doesn't seem cheap. A little bit of maybe like a little foaming in the middle. But let me go ahead and see how it fits. Alright, so I got the sunshade all fitted up. So it's looking like real good coverage. It's not your Walmart sunshade. Let's check it out from the inside, check the fitment. Check out that fitment. It's like completely sealed off, like the light coming in. Tiny bit in the corner. The only problem I had was because I have an oversized rearview mirror, so I just kind of had to bend it back, but I mean, it's no problem. It's real flexible material. Yeah, check that out. Real good fitment, guys. I'm not just trying to push the brand or whatever. I had initially got the wind visors here on the window. Pretty good quality, real good, and a lot of good reviews, so that's what led me to drive those. And then upon further reviews and stuff, look into the sunshades, since I really want to protect the interior. Real clean interior here, and I just want to save it from any further damage that may have been caused by the sun over the years. But real good. I know this is really going to protect my interior. And have the baggie there, so just go ahead and put it away, throw it in the trunk, not worry about any punctures or whatever it may be. And but yeah guys, looking real good. Big difference. I already know it's gonna make a difference once I leave this car out in the sun for a while. Yeah, hopefully this review helped you guys out and helped you make your choice or not make a choice, whatever it may be, as long as it a bit of information for you guys. Alright guys, I appreciate the support, and see you guys in the next video.